Hi, I'm Kelly Thomason, Secretary of the Commonwealth of Virginia. On behalf of my team and our partnership with the Secretary of Administration and the Virginia Information Technologies Agency, we are proud to have won an Innovation in State Government Award from the National Association of State Chief Administrators. My office oversees services ranging from congratulatory acknowledgments from our governor to requests for restoration of civil rights, which can be life-changing for qualified Virginians. These services require time sensitivity, accuracy, and efficiency to ensure that our government services move at the speed of Virginia business and provide the best customer experience possible. In years past, these processes were completed through paper forms and mailed checks, which took days and sometimes weeks, even if executed perfectly. My team saw a critical need for digital transformation, taking multiple constituent services from paper to a screen, which exponentially streamlined time and resources to best serve customers in a modernized society. With the help of the Vita team, we developed a one-stop shop portal for Virginia customers on our website, with goals to increase the number of processes completed, drive increased web traffic, improve customer service and satisfaction, and redirect valuable staff resources to other critical strategic work. Thank you, NASCA, for this proud honor. I have often joked that even my colleagues in the building don't understand all of the things that the Secretary of the Commonwealth does. We do provide such a wide range of services, from overseeing the Governor's Office of Constituent Services and Community Engagement, who are essentially the face of the Governor's administration. These are the folks who are interacting with our constituents on a daily basis, both with their incoming work and the proactive outreach that we've taken on to make sure that we're making government open and accessible and welcoming to everybody. When we first came into office in 2014, we walked into the Restoration of Rights office for the first time, and you could not see the floor. There was paper everywhere because it was such an intensive paper process. And so we knew that something had to be done. It was overwhelming for the staff. I think we had nightmares about the amount of paper that we had, and it was not an efficient process for the constituents. And so we worked with the great team at Vita to automate that process, to make it electronic, and to roll out this portal that really has been life-changing and revolutionary.
Over the past few years, Virginia has digitally transformed many previously paper-based processes into online automated services for our 8.6 million Virginia residents.
We watched how they used the website and what phone calls we got all the time from constituents asking for help. And we tried to build an experience that answered a lot of those questions.
I think the customer experience, whether it's using an application or a website, is always key.
We're focused on providing accessible, equitable, and intuitive connections to our government service for each and every Virginian.
Accessibility is always at the top of our mind. So we have to consider what it looks like on mobile, what it looks like on desktop, and then on top of that, how can we address the needs of people who are coming with disabilities or people who are coming with a different primary language.
For the back-end folks in the Gov's office, we try to really, ask, the people that are doing it, what can we do so less scanning, less typing, less phone calls, try to put stuff in there to try to capture what the customer's doing, make sure we have the right fields in there, the right drop downs, the flow. And we're looking to always expand on that. And also as we start to move into the online cloud, which we're actually working on that now, is we'll have a lot more capabilities with a lot more of the Microsoft tool set that we use to do a lot of neat things coming down the pipe.
It's really important to me that we leave the office better than we found it. And so we are always looking for innovations in good government and how to make our Virginia state government more open and welcoming to people, inclusive, accessible. And this project does all of that. And so I am so proud that rolling out these portals have been life-changing for constituents, have made it easier and accessible and efficient, but also for our staff. I think the world of our staff and everything that they do, they're hardworking and committed, and finding ways to make their jobs easier is a top priority, and rolling out these portals has certainly done that. It makes our jobs easier every single day.
We are both pleased and grateful to have won an Innovation in State Government Award from the National Association of State Chief Administrators. Thank you to the NASCA committee for this opportunity and our Virginia colleagues for their partnership.